Hey everyone, Mark here again at Hyundai. Welcome back to the virtual showroom. Another great pre-owned vehicle just arrived. 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe, 2-liter turbo, SE all-wheel drive. Lots of features. Let's do a quick walk around on this one. I'll show you some of the interior features so you can see that this one is loaded. Lots of standard features, and that's what it's all about. Price, features, you gotta love when an SUV like this comes in on trade. I should mention you've got the trailer hitch already. So again, like I said, 2-liter turbo, all-wheel drive. Great looking machine. You get the 19-inch alloy wheels, so that's a nice feature. Really makes this vehicle pop. Push button start, proximity key, turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You got fog lights, good sized grille. We haven't even seen the nice stuff yet. How about panoramic sunroof, wall to wall? Great feature. Let's have a look at the trunk. Cargo cover. You just take this out, wash it off. On top of that, you got more storage down there than you know what to do with. You got your jack here, never needed it. You got anchors on all 3 seats. They're all independently folding, so you can fold that one down, throw some hockey sticks there. You can fold them all down if you got a little project. You need car seats, boom, boom, boom. 3 anchors for car seats. So again, lots of cool stuff. You got a plug here for a cooler or anything like so. We move up. Nice leather seats. You got cup holders in the middle. So you need room for 5, no problem. Push that up. There you go, seating for 5. You got rear vents, 2-stage heated seats in the rear. You got privacy shades like that. Great in the summer to keep the sun off the kids or the animals. The animals are just as important to some people. You got, I should say most people, I should say any people. Everyone is part of the family. You got push button start, proximity key, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got locking rear windows for the kiddies, keep them nice and safe. You've got a power driver's seat with lumbar support. So what are some of the other features? You got active eco, so you can drive in an extremely fuel efficient mode. You've got heated steering wheel, 4-wheel drive lock, downhill brake assist control, traction control. You can adjust your interior illumination. So lots of cool features there. We're gonna jump in. We're gonna hit the push button. What else we got in this one? So leather steering wheel, leather wrap steering wheel. You got all your volume controls on this side, Bluetooth hands-free calling. On the other side, you've got all your infotainment center, so you can adjust some of the settings to your specifications. Cruise control here. You can also drive in sport, normal, or comfort. It's electric steering, so we tell you to play around with that, see what feels most comfortable. Obviously reset, cancel for your cruise. We move over to the middle. You've got 3-stage heated seats on both sides. I'm gonna shut that off because it is hot today. You got parking sensors in the rear, which you can also shut off. You got all your auxiliaries and inputs down there. Dual zone climate control, so nice feature if you're like myself and my wife. One's always a little cooler, a little hotter. You got front and rear defrost, also, so all easy settings, your hazard switches right here. And then you've got your touch screen, nice little touch screen, backup camera, so it's all there, everything you need. Bluetooth, XM satellite radio capabilities. So again, lots of standard features. I mean, take advantage of it, especially a Santa Fe like this. Leather, dash is in nice shape. You've got some additional storage there. Lots of cool features, compass in the mirror. There's that massive panoramic sunroof. So again, I just thank you for joining me in the virtual showroom today. Just had a look at a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe 2-liter turbo SE all-wheel drive package. Nice color, won't last long. Call, text, or email if you have any questions. As always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.